Hello children, my today's topic is homonym. Homo means same and nym means name. That means today I will go with homonym, same name and same spellings with different meanings. Here you can see first picture. I have drawn the picture of tie and I have written I tie my tie easily when I go out. This tie is doing word and this tie is noun. This tie, that means I wear tie. Whenever I go out, I wear tie or I put tie whenever I go out, or I tie my tie easily when I go out. My second is, this is a fly I have drawn and I have written that a fly can fly. A fly can fly. This fly is this one and it can fly. This is a watch. So I watch time in my watch. I watch here, doing word, time in my watch. That means both are different. I watch, that means I see time where in my watch. That means I watch time in my watch. The fourth picture is a small plant I have drawn and another one is bow and arrow. So my sentence is unknowingly, or I shoot unknowingly the shoot part of a plant. I shoot. This is a shoot. That means I am shooting. Sometimes I shoot unknowingly the shoot. This is a shoot. This is noun. I shoot, verb. I shoot. Sometimes I shoot unknowingly the shoot part of plant. Here you can see a small nail is there. We use I got hurt with sharp nail on my thumbnail. I got hurt with sharp nail. Nail, here this nail is this, and on my thumbnail. That means I got hurt with sharp nail on my thumbnail. This nail we use generally while we fix our calendar on the wall. And it hurt on my nail. This is also nail and hurt on my nail. In this way, plane is there. A plane lands on the plain land. A plane, this is a plane, lands on the plain land. Plane means a plain surface, even surface. Even surface. Here you can see land also. Land is also what? Verb, and this land is the surface. So what we can write? This is also homonym. Land, land. Land, land. A plane, plane, plane. This is also homonym. These two are homonym. These two are homonym. I water the plants with fresh water. I water the plants with fresh water. Here verb and the plant with fresh water noun. Water, I am giving water to the plant with fresh water. A cook cooks delicious food. Here cook means one who cooks. A cook, person. A cook is a person, cooks delicious food. Cooks means verb. Here point, it is a point, and teachers point out our mistake because children generally forget to put point at center of the circle. Teachers point out mistake because children generally forget to put point at center of the circle. That means teachers point. This is verb. Teachers point out mistake because children generally forget to put point Here in the middle, generally children forget to put point at center of the circle. My next is, so beta homonym is very important. Why? Because spellings same, sound same, having different meaning. So I have used in a different way in this regard. Okay. Bark. Bark. Dogs bark loudly, and bark is a part of a tree trunk. Here trunk. An elephant has a long trunk, and we keep things in big trunk. Trunk, it is a just like a suitcase, and it is generally of iron or steel. Right, we can use right in two ways. I take right turn in right direction. While we move on the road, we take a right turn. Like, okay, turn, we take right turn in right direction. Right is correct direction. This is right means right side, not left side. And this right is right direction. Light, the feathers are light, feathers are not heavy. The sun gives us light. Feathers are light and the sun gives us light. Both are different. Here, this is the part I have given you and you will do it. Okay, it's a very interesting part. Fair, I enjoy in book fair. Judges give fair judgment. Fair means clear judgment. Current we use in two ways. One as electric current and current news. We get current news from mobile, TV and newspaper. Many villages do not have electric current. Place, I place hot pot on the table. Place means just like we put anything on the table. Place. Kashmir is a beautiful place, and it is a beautiful place. It is noun. Can. My mother keeps oil in a can. Can is a container here, and I can draw a hut. So in this way, I think I have made you understand. Thank you, children. Complete your work.